Tackle tough cleaning jobs around the home with Simpson CM61083 gas pressure washer. Lightweight and easy to store, this machine delivers 3,400 PSI at 2.5 gallons per minute. It comes equipped with a powerful 208 Simpson CRX engine and an OEM Technologies axial cam pump, so you'll get reliable cleaning results for every kind of job, from vinyl siding to concrete cleanup. The 25-foot high-pressure hose is highly flexible, non-marking, and resists kinks and abrasions. And the ergonomic spray gun with 16-inch steel lance includes 4 quick connect nozzles that swap out easily to handle a variety of cleaning tasks. It's all housed on a powder-coated steel frame with 10-inch premium pneumatic tires for easy maneuverability. The Simpson CM61083 Clean Machine Pressure Washer is backed by our premium warranty, and it's available now. Simpson, driven by performance.